In this video, we're presenting the best 6 bread makers of 2025, from premium to budget-friendly, highlighting their best features to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. First up, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. This machine is designed for serious home bakers. It features a smart LCD display that makes selecting and customizing your settings incredibly easy. The collapsible kneading blade minimizes holes in the bottom of your loaf for a professional look. With 13 automatic programs, this machine offers unmatched versatility. Next up, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. With dual kneading blades, this machine delivers superior dough consistency, ensuring every loaf is perfectly textured. The dual heaters provide even heat distribution for consistent baking results. And the large viewing window lets you monitor the process without lifting the lid. Next, the KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread machine features an elegant stainless steel design, matched by powerful performance, offering 17 automatic programs. The touchscreen display makes operation simple, and the ceramic non-stick pan guarantees even baking and easy cleanup. With a 2-pound capacity and a 15-hour delay timer, it's a great choice for anyone who values both aesthetics and performance. Next, if you're looking for a machine that does it all, the KITCHENARM 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine is the ultimate multitasker. With 29 preset programs, this bread maker is designed for anyone who wants maximum variety. From gluten-free loaves to sourdough starter, this machine has a setting for every need. Its 3 loaf sizes let you bake exactly the amount you want, while the fully customizable homemade mode allows you to fine-tune every stage of the process. Its compact design makes it a great fit for smaller kitchens. Next, the Neretva 20-in-1 bread maker is a compact powerhouse that delivers big performance in a small package. With 20 preset programs, this machine is a complete kitchen companion. The non-stick ceramic pan ensures even baking and easy cleaning, while the dual heaters create a golden bakery-style crust. Its space-saving design makes it an excellent option for anyone who wants a high-performing bread maker, without taking up too much counter space. Next, for those who need a simple, no-fuss bread maker with a small footprint, the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is an excellent choice. Its vertical design is perfect for smaller kitchens, yet it still offers plenty of functionality with 12 preset programs. 3 crust shade settings let you customize your loaf to your preference, and the easy-to-read LCD display ensures a smooth operation. If you're a beginner or just looking for an efficient, space-saving bread maker, this is the one for you. And there you have it. No matter your needs, there's a perfect bread maker out there for you. Thanks for watching.